In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shade and highlight your digital art using multiply and overlay layers. This is a quick, reliable way to bring depth and light into your illustration without losing your base colors. First, make sure your flat colors are finished and organized on separate layers. Keeping flats separated by object or area makes everything easier to control later. If you only have one flat layer, that's fine too. The process still works, but organized flats give you cleaner results and faster tweaks. Now, create a new layer directly above your flats. This is going to be your shadow layer. Change its blending mode to multiply. Multiply darkens the colors beneath it while preserving their hue and saturation, which is why it's perfect for shadows. To keep your shading neatly inside your shapes, clip this new layer to your flats. Clipping ensures anything you paint will only appear over the pixels on the underlying layer, so you won't have to worry about painting outside the edges. Choose a soft brush, something with smooth fall-off works best, and select a darker color than your base. You can simply pick a deeper version of the local color or shift slightly toward cooler or warmer tones depending on the mood and light source. Gently brush in your shadow areas, thinking about where the light wouldn't reach, under hair or hats, beneath folds, and on the side away from the light. Build the shading gradually. If it looks too strong, lower the layer's opacity until it feels natural. If it's too light, either increase the opacity or paint another pass. When your shadows look balanced, it's time for highlights. Create another new layer above everything and set it to overlay or screen. Overlay increases contrast and can give punchy, saturated highlights, while screen is softer and simply lightens the colors beneath. Pick a lighter color, often a tint of your base or a slightly warmer hue if your light is warm, and paint softly on the areas that catch the light first, the tops of forms, edges facing the light source, and any glossy surfaces. Keep your strokes light and controlled. It's easy to overdo highlights. As before, fine-tune the effect by adjusting the layer's opacity until the lighting feels cohesive with your shadows. Step back, zoom out, and make small adjustments to both the shadow and highlight opacities so they harmonize. Now that's it. Clean, flexible shading and highlights using multiply and overlay or screen, all while keeping your flats intact and editable.